Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine at your home. Dear students, myself Jyoti Yadgudi, I will be handling the science subject for your class and even I am the class teacher of your class also. Dear students, welcome back to the science class for the academic year 2021 and 22. Dear students, for 4th standard you are having a Saffron Cambridge book. Okay, yes, you are having all the subject in this book only. You are having a semester wise book. Okay, for semester 1 you have one book and for the another semester you are having one more book. So for semester 1 we are having these lessons. Okay, total we are having a 8 lesson for the semester 1. Okay, in your science subject total how many lessons you are having? Total you are having 8 lessons for the first semester. Yes dear students, today in this video class just I will give the introduction of each lessons. So go through the video carefully, okay, and you have to follow the instructions properly. Total how many lessons we are having for the first semester? We are having totally 8 lessons for the first semester. So the first lesson is green plants. What is the name of first lesson? Green plants. You all already familiar with the plants. Yes, you have seen even the structure of plants also. So today here what we will see? The green plants. Okay, so here in this lesson we will understand about the structure of leaves. Yes, leaf is a one of the part of a plant it is. So in this lesson we will study about the structure of leaves and even we will study how the leaves will make their food. Yes, how they are going to prepare their food and even the interdependence among the plants and animals, and even we will study the different types of plants also. These are all the things we are going to study in this first lesson, that is green plants. Okay, next lesson is how plants survive. What is the name of a plant? What is the name of a lesson here? How plants survive. The second lesson is how plants survive. Dear students, in this lesson we will study about the plants growing in a different areas. Yes, how the plants will grow in a different areas and their adaptation. Even the adaptation in plants, and we will study about some specialized plants and we will study the importance of plants to humans. What is the importance of plants for the human beings? That also we will study in this second lesson, that is how plants survive. Okay, and the next lesson here is animals and their young ones. What is the name of third lesson? Animals and their young ones. Here in this chapter you will come to know about the egg-laying animals and the animals that give birth to young ones. Yes dear students, all the animals will not give birth. Okay, some animals will lay the eggs and some animals will give birth to their young ones. Okay, even here we will study about the structure of an egg. And even you will come to know the life cycle of some animals also. We are going to we will study in this third lesson, that is animals and their young ones. Next lesson is, that is how animals survive. The fourth lesson name is how animals survive. Okay, here in this lesson we will understand about the adaptation in animals with respect to habitat, food, protection and behavior. Okay, even you will recognize about the animals in a danger. Okay, that all the things we are going to study in this fourth lesson. In the fifth lesson, that is food. Yes, what is the food? It is our basic need. Yes, food is our basic needs. We are having some of the basic needs like food, clothes, shelter. These all are what? These all are basic needs. In that, food is also one of the basic need it is. Yes, you all know the basic needs very well. Yes, as I have already told now, what are the basic needs to human beings? Food, shelter, then what? What we need? Even we need some of the food also. Okay, these all are the some of the basic needs. Clothes, Clothes is also one of the basic need. Food, clothes and shelter are the some of the basic needs. Okay, so here the fifth lesson is food. That is our basic need. So in this lesson what we will study? We will study about the and we will understand about the food and the nutrition. Okay, what is the importance of a food? What is the nutrition? Okay, that all food preservation methods, how we have to preserve the food. Okay, that all the things we will study in this fifth lesson, that is food lesson. Here is the sixth lesson. The name of the lesson is digestion and role of microbes. Digestion and role of microbes. Digestion is nothing but whatever the food we will consume, yes, it will get digested in our stomach. Okay, for that process we call a digestion process we are calling. So here in this lesson we will recognize different sets and types of teeth in a humans. Okay, and understand the structure of a tooth and know how to take care of a teeth. Yes, you all are having the teeth. Then how we have to take care of that teeth, and even the structure of that tooth also we will study. Even we will describe the digestive system and the process of digestion. Yes, we are having what? We are having a digestive system in our body. Why we are having the digestive system in our body? For the digestion process we are having a digestive system. And even we will implement some of the healthy eating habits also. And about microbes we will study, and we will differentiate between harmful and useful microbes. Some microbes are even they will harm to our health, and some microbes are they will what they will do? They will protect. They are useful to our body. So these are all the things we will study in this sixth lesson. Here is the seventh lesson, that is keeping safe. What is the name of the seventh lesson? Keeping safe. So in this lesson we will implementing safety measures at home and outside home. Yes, dear students, how we have to be there? Yes, when we are at a home, what are the safety measures we have to take? And when we are outside, out of the home, what safety measures we have to take? That all the things we will study in this seventh lesson, that is keeping safe. And even we will study about the first aid. Okay, what is the first aid? First aid is nothing but when we will give some of the emergency. Okay, something has happened, accident, we will give what? They will give some medicines there. Okay, at a place only we are going to give them. Okay, that is the first aid we call. Okay, next lesson here is the eighth lesson is clothes we wear. Yes, as I have already told some of the basic needs. Which are the basic needs I told? Food, shelter and clothes. Yes, food we need to grow. Yes, shelter to protect ourselves, and clothes even it will protect our body. Yes, so in this lesson we will study about the importance of a clothes and how they are made. Yes, dear students, we are wearing a different kinds of clothes in our day-to-day life. Yes, how the season will change, even our clothing system also will go on changes. Okay, so that importance, how the importance the clothes, yes, how they are important to us, that will study in this lesson. And even how they are made up of those clothes. Yes, there are different kinds of clothes I told. Then those clothes, how they are made, that also we will study in this lesson. And even the contrast between the natural and the synthetic fibers, and clothes we use in our everyday life, that all the things we will study in this lesson, that is clothes we wear. So dear students, in the coming videos we will start with the first lesson, that is green plants. Yes, in the next video we will start with the first lesson, that is green plants. Dear students, whenever we will upload the video, what you have to follow? You have to watch the video completely, okay, without skipping. You have to watch the video completely, okay. Whatever the points will be given, so you have to write in your rough book. You have to read it, and okay, after watching the video, once you have to read your textbook compulsory. Yes, in a science subject, the first thing is you have to read lesson, not a question answers. You have to have the habit of reading lesson. So whenever I will teach any one of the topic, what you have to do? You have to read that one topic, okay, from the textbook. Okay, and even I will give some of the questions also. That also you have to write in your rough book and you have to send to me. So in a fair book, okay, in fair book part is different. In fair book no need to write homework. You should not write homework in a fair book, and you should not write any points also in a fair book. You have to make those points and homework, that all in a rough book itself. So in a fair book what you have to do, whatever the exercise part will be sent, that you have to write in a fair book only. After the completion of each lesson I will send the question answers PDF. Okay, those question answers you have to write in your fair book. So you have to follow these all the rules of a science fair book, and your science fair book should be neat and clean, and you have to mention date, name of the lesson properly, and with a clean and neat handwriting you have to maintain your science fair book for your 4th standard science class. Okay, so dear students, in the next video class we will begin with the first lesson. Till that, have a nice day. Take care. Bye.